Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by choosing raw apple cider vinegar with the mother. This gives live enzymes and flavor. Combine 1 part ACV with 3 parts water in a glass jar. This dilutes acidity so it's safe for most uses. Once mixed, seal with a lid and label with date and concentration so you track potency. Make sure to use a funnel to avoid spills and a clean cloth to wipe the rim. These small details prevent contamination and keep your mixture stable. Next, you infuse flavors by adding herbs, citrus peel, or garlic. This alters aroma and adds functional compounds. Place the jar at room temperature for 3-7 days and shake it daily to extract evenly. Once the aroma matches your goal, strain out solids and transfer liquid to a clean jar. Test scent and apply a tiny amount to a small surface or skin area to confirm no irritation. If it smells off or causes a reaction, discard and start fresh. Finally, use your ACV mix according to purpose. For skin, dilute to 1/4 or 1/2 strength and rinse after 5-10 minutes to prevent irritation. For cleaning, use equal parts ACV and water, but avoid using on natural stone surfaces because acid can etch. Store sealed in a cool, dark place. If you encounter mold, cloudy separation, or a foul odor, stop using it. Dispose safely, sanitize containers, and remake a fresh batch to prevent health risks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.